This is a vibe. It's just a test. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Because the fur on my camera should be like all wet, and then it's not gonna work. It's just gonna sound muffled, and then the camera will be full of water. Thing's gonna get full of water. Absolutely no one on the lake. Gonna go at the crest, then I'll go check the beach. There might be people, who knows? But it's Wednesday, so very sorry for no biking stream, but it's been like this weather for like non-stop. Sometimes it's sunny and it's like I don't know if it's gonna rain in 2 hours, and I cannot do biking stream during the rain, we found out. So there's that. Can't wait to see how the footage turns out. It's probably like really bad. No one's taking this opportunity to go swimming at the beach while it's raining. Blasphemy. I'll go there. So much water in my face, my eyes. I never understood what these lines in the water are. Hey bird. Go to the island. When I do part 3 about exploring the lake, I want to explore these islands. There's a bunch of beaches over there. There should be one over there that people don't go to. I don't know what I'm gonna do once I reach over there though. It's not like I can stop somewhere. Dude, the water's so hot. Is this rain gonna stop? It's getting worse. go over there. Such a vibe. I guess that will rig test the fur on my camera. See how it goes. Like, I'm afraid it's gonna detach. Because I'm using gel tape. Right above me, I can't see nothing. Can't look up. I will need a second camera for this, like one that I use wet and one that I use dry.